Hey everybody, it is Travis Holzem with Food Foret Design Solutions, and coming to the end of my day because there's nothing else I can do today. My soil didn't show up today because it's kind of muddy with the storm last night and this morning. The soil yard was kind of wet, so I have to wait till tomorrow morning. And also my mulch did not come today either, so I can't do one without the other anyway. And here comes a couple of my trees. My maple trees just showed up from speedy delivery. And let me pause for a minute. All right, everybody. My 4 Autumn Blaze maples showed up, and at least something showed up today. Anyway, I'm gonna flip you around and start at the sunflower bed and show you all the way around. I drilled about, I don't know how many holes I drilled, but there's a lot of them. Anyway, I got a few more to drill tomorrow I'm gonna do. But I'll just do that when I put the trees in the ground, because 2 are fruit trees and I have to build the guild. So I'll do those tomorrow, but I'm going to flip you around and take you for a walk. Here's the start of the sunflower bed. And it's going to be sheet mulch to where that last red cup is, so about 80 feet. There's going to be a wall of sunflowers. And I have probably about 5,000 sunflower seeds to plant once I get the sheet mulching done. So it's going to be a nice wall of sunflowers next spring. And here you go. Here's all. I guess I got kind of straight, huh? Anyway, all these holes drilled. What's that? These 4 close together are chokeberries. And then we got a couple hazelnuts, and then we got a couple butternuts, and then a couple more hazelnuts on the other side. So what do we have on this side? We got 13 holes drilled on this side. And then the other side is many more holes. And I don't know if I kept it straight enough, but we'll see. All right. And, oh hey, look at you, little leopard frog. 300 feet down to this corner. Now we're gonna go 300 feet that way. And you can see all my flags. I got all my holes drilled going down. Oh, and it looks like I got some fresh grass to use as mulch here tomorrow. Anyway, so I have holes drilled all the way down to the very end. And I have a few holes drilled going up that way. And I have 2 fruit, I'll show you the fruit tree area. And then I have some spruce trees and white pines to add up towards the front of the property on the left side over here. Here we're going to turn. And right up this way is going to be the fruit tree guilds. And if you can see, there's 2 fruit trees here already. We have apple trees and pear trees here. So we're gonna have another tree right here. Let me put this flag here, there. And then let me grab one of these other flags over here. Since I have the holes drilled already, I don't need these flags anymore over here. All right. Well, let's plant the flag where this other one's going to go. And looks like we need some grass to be cut here. And that's going to be right here in the middle. So yeah, so one more spot. Pear tree, apple tree, apple tree. And then doing one more apple, one more pear. And then we're going to have a 12-foot diameter gild around each tree. That's going to be sheet mulched. And then I'm going to plant it out with wild strawberries, comfrey, clover, chives, and yarrow. And there might be something else in there I'm forgetting. But there's 5 or 6 different supporting plants for each of these fruit trees. And then a couple more that's going to be on the outside edge. And then where she's mowing over there, there's a few more I got to put in over there. And this pear tree is looking a little sick, but once we get this gild in and all these supporting plants start feeding it, especially the comfrey, they can get those nutrients deep down in that soil and feed it to these trees. They need it. But that's that. And but that's all I can do for today. So we're going to end today. It's about 3 o'clock, and I'll be here bright and early tomorrow. Well, I got to pick up my trees tomorrow. I got about 24 more trees to pick up tomorrow, and then I will be, I'll have them all on the ground tomorrow. By about noon, I should have just about every tree in the ground. And I have to wait till 5 o'clock to pick up my butternut trees. By appointment only for this small little nursery in River Falls, Wisconsin. So that will be my last 2 trees to put in the ground tomorrow. So I'll pick them up at 5, drive back here, put them in the ground, and I'm all finished for the most part. But that's this place. I will be back here tomorrow. I'll take some images and some more video, and be right along for a ride. Have an amazing day, my friends. I'll see you tomorrow. Grow food, not lawn.